This past summer, I got to go on a field survey in Tanzania, and we would go from farm to farm each day and talk to farmers, interview them, and collect samples that we were then going to go back to the lab after the survey is over with and analyze them. Cassava is a large tuber crop. We also, in North Carolina, might know it as tapioca, but it's a very sturdy crop. So it can survive during drought, it can grow in really poor soil or acidic soil, and it doesn't need much water. So it's really important for small stakeholder farmers who basically they grow this crop so that they can eat and feed their family, and hopefully if they can sell any that's left over, they can have money to send their kids to school. Cassava mosaic disease evolves a lot faster than we thought. And since cassava is the #1 crop produced in sub-Saharan Africa, this disease will eradicate about 95% of their crop yield. It could cause huge losses. I think you saw how diverse a problem was, but then also, I think for me, I think about the farmers, you could see that their whole field was infected and they didn't know that it was infected. And to have those conversations with them and be like, you're not gonna get any yield. But then also it's a moment where you could say but this is what you can do. And a lot of them ask how can you help? What can we do? How can we make this better? And it kind of puts your research in perspective. And it was a transformative experience. Usually I work in the lab all the time and I look at a problem that's really complex, but then to see it in the field and to see the real impact on the farmers and actually really how complicated the problem really is was transformative.